Greetings everybody from the Disneyland Esplanade. Yes, it's time for another Disney video, but I'm not going to Disneyland. Nope, it's just there. We're heading over to Disney's California Adventure. Tell me it's behind me. There it is. There, I got it in the palm of my hand. You see? There we go. Ah, nailed it. Perfect. First time. Anyway, I do not come to Disney's California Adventure as much as I should, and I feel bad about that. So I am going to go and actually experience some of my favorite attractions over here, hopefully, and check out some of the Lunar New Year offerings. I don't know if I'm gonna get a bunch of food and whatnot, but I just want to show it off to you guys, just so you guys can get a feel of it in case you missed it this year. Anyway, enough of the preamble. Let's get to it. I just want to add that it is a gorgeous, gorgeous day here in Disney's California Adventure. Oh my goodness. This park is growing on me. I'll say that much. It has a charm. And to be honest, that charm, I think, has always been there. It's just needed to be unearthed. And I think with some of these newer attractions, kind of bringing more people into the park, they can kind of get to indulge in that, especially the Pacific Northwest area, or the kind of Northern California, NorCal, as they say. Is that what it is? Like SoCal, NorCal, or NoCal? I think it's NorCal. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Here we are entering the portion of the park that has the Lunar New Year offerings. We are gonna come back and look at this stuff. Lots of different food, and I'll say this, shameless plug for my buddies, Provost Park Pass. They did a very, very thorough kind of video about all things Lunar New Year, kind of food all the way down this way. But I wanted to get this video off with a bit of a bang. That's right, going on something I haven't ridden in a long time. The Incredicoaster, oh. All right, here we go guys, and you're coming with me. Let's do it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Uh-oh, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go.
Hold on!
Everybody hold on tight. Remember to count to 3 afterwards. I love this music, by the way.
Almost there.
Uh-oh. It's the waiting.
Always does that now. Always does that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Let's do it! Oh my god, yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! We're back, baby! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh my lordy Lou! Oh, we gotta get him! We gotta get the baby! We got it! Yeah, this ride's amazing! Oh my goodness! Last girl! Oh, gotta get a num-num cookie. Oh no, it's also good! Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! So good. Here we go. Upside down, everybody. Hold on! Whoa! Oh, it's fiery. Thanks, bye. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Get some airtime, baby. Yeah. All right, time to wrap this up. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, so good. So good. So good. So good. Oh my gosh. Can you see? Look at me. Crazy. Roller coaster face. I always forget how much I love that attraction. It's so good, especially that launch. Ooh. I always think of Rock and Roller Coaster though. This one's a bit rougher, and you can see more, which is kind of a good and bad thing depending on if you want the views, or if you're afraid of heights, then maybe you wouldn't want to go on this one so much. But both with the launch, Rockin's a bit smoother, but you can't really see anything in there so much. So, I don't know. For people who go to both Walt Disney World and Disneyland, let me know which one is your favorite. I like them both. But Rockin' holds a special place in my heart. I've got a little story about Rockin' Roller Coaster I'll tell you guys maybe one day. We'll see. I don't know. But I'm gonna head over and check out some of the Lunar New Year offerings. A little look at the Toy Story Midway Mania line today. 40 minutes. As you can see, kind of does some switchbacks. Goes inside there a little bit, then comes back out over here, right behind Mr. Potato Head, who's nice and back and operational. Well, maybe he's not so nice sometimes. Depends on when you catch him, what time of the day, right? We're coming over here, seeing all the Lunar New Year decorations, all the lanterns. I'm guessing this is even more festive in the evening, but I like how it looks right now. Oh yeah, Lunar New Year. And for people who didn't know, it is the year of the tiger, as that sign points out over here. Yes. So think of Tigger, Shere Khan, third tiger. I don't know. I don't think Tony's affiliated with Disney. Not yet. Either the parade is starting soon, featuring Mulan and Mushu, or everybody lined up to see yours truly. Hi everyone. Hello. I just love walking down parade routes right before a parade. You're like, oh, everybody came out to see me. How lovely. No, that's not the case. It's actually a cool little kind of parade, cavalcade. No, it's a parade. I think it's like a full-on parade. Relatively short, do it a few times throughout the day during Lunar New Year. Here we are at the Longevity Noodle Co. and they're serving garlic noodles, spicy pork, dan dan noodles, and salted pistachio cold brew. But as I learned from my friend Chris, you want long noodles because the longer the noodle, the longer the life. So you want to eat long noodles, especially during the Lunar New Year. Yep, it's good for you. Right next door at the Lucky 8 Lantern, they have shrimp fried rice along with beef bulgogi short rib. No, sorry, beef bulgogi short rib. Apologies. Yeah, that shrimp fried rice looks really good. Ooh, that's tempting. Down over here in front of Ariel's Dark Ride, we've got the Prosperity Bao and Buns. They've got the Char Siu Barbecue Pork Bao, Mickey Chinese Hot Dog Bun, and the Prosperous Tiger. Oh, that looks interesting. You can add a lotus flower glow cube to any drink. Look at that too. Oh, it's like an actual lotus flower. That's cool. Yeah, I love the bao buns. If you don't get this is more, I think, traditional potentially, but I get the other type of bao buns that are more kind of enclosed over at the Tropical Hideaway. But again, this is in front of, is it Adventure of the Little Mermaid or Ariel's Undersea Adventure? I forget which one is in which park. Forgive me. They even have a little bit of festival merchandise up here too. That's pretty cool. It's nice. You can wrap it up. Now I'm stopping on over at Cars Land for one ride. You guessed it. You know the one. Everybody say it with me. Tow Mater's Junkyard Jamboree. All right. That's the one you guys thought, right? Right? Okay, I know you guys thought Radiator Springs Racers, but I've never ridden this and I want to. So you're gonna ride it with me. And then we'll probably go ride Radiator Springs Racers after. Single rider, baby. I love the single rider. If I ever come here with a group again, we're gonna have some issues. They'll be like, we're going single rider, right? They'll be like, what? I'll be like, yeah, we're going like 5 times. This is my immediate future, everyone. Yes. And if it looks kind of familiar for my East Coast friends, that's because the same style of attraction that you get with alien swirling saucers over in Disney's Hollywood Studios. I'm actually looking forward to it because I actually like that ride a lot. And I've never ridden this. This is gonna be fun. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh my gosh. It's simple but effective. Oh my goodness. Some of my Pokemon strategies. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, this one whips you. Whips you real good. I like it. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I'm slipping and sliding. Woo! Rock on. This is good. Okay. Try not to have fun on this ride, I dare you. It's like impossible. It's impossible, oh my gosh. I love it. It's good. Oh my gosh, we're doing a big one. Oh, okay. Okay. It's so good. Time for a little bit of that Radiator Springs Racers now, baby. See, I was talking about it before. But yeah, Tow Mater's Junkyard Jamboree. Pretty fun, man. Actually pretty good. But now we're gonna go on the premium ride here. Radiator Springs. Oh boy, this might just be my favorite attraction in all of Disney's California Adventure, even though I have a big soft spot for Soarin'. I love Soarin'. It's very good. But this one's really good too. And I'm gonna
You're not racing yet. Just follow me into town to get ready. Later. Coming, Sheriff. Howdy. Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun. Hey, here we go, Tractor Jippin'. It's easy. Just sneak up on them and honk. Ready? Coming right at you. Honk! Just a bad spark plug, hippie. Let's go! For you, my friend, only the best. Sit up! Oh, yes. Look! Oh, what? Oh, tires. Now like a real race car. Going up to the starting line. Okay.
It takes more than new tires to win a race.
Hi, Doc.
Crew chief.
I'll tell you it's a bit hard getting into the groove. So pay attention.
Yes. Now you will have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life. Ready? And come on.
Oh, love it. Love it. Da 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 ba do 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 do. Hands up. Woohoo! Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh! Oh, there! Oh my God! Well done. Well done. Well done. Another fun ride there on Radiator Springs Racers, and as I was walking towards kind of the front of the park a little bit, I ran into this little area where it says Magic Key Holder Celebration Month, and they're handing out stuff to Magic Key Holders, and this one's an exclusive print. Look at this! Oh my gosh, Peak Adventure, and it's got like all the Disney mountains on it. That is amazing. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love this. I want to frame it. Put it up immediately. That's what they want me to do. They didn't give me a frame though. I'm just kidding. No, this is great. This is so cool. What a nice little perk. Ah, I just want to bend it. It's so cool. Snow White's out meeting greeting. Here's Queen Anna and Elsa, former Queen of Arendelle. Hello, Elsa. Yeah. You know what she did with that title of royalty in Arendelle? She let it go. That's the joke. But the princess that started it all, Snow. And she's got like kind of a winter outfit on too. Snow's great. Snow's actually pretty underrated. Not so much a damsel in distress when you go back and watch it. I was contemplating riding Soarin', but it actually looks like a 75-minute wait. It's just a little too spicy for yours truly. I love Soarin', I really do. I just don't know if I want to wait 75 minutes for it. Oh, but I'm gonna come back here soon. I think I will, yeah, for sure. And just like Splash Mountain next door at Disneyland, Grizzly River Run is down for a little bit, just for refurbishment yearly, because water takes its toll. It takes its toll. I do really like this attraction, even though I don't ride it often. My dream is one day to stay at the Grand Californian, which is literally right there, and just go on this a bunch, just so many times, and then just like retreat to my room when I need a break, but just go on it again and again. Oh, wouldn't that be fun? That'd be so cool. There's also a special Raya and the Last Dragon meet and greet over by the Redwood Creek Challenge Trail, which I want to get over here quickly because it fills up. People want to meet Raya. If you're unfamiliar with the film, you can check it out on Disney+. This is a shameless plug for Disney Plus. They're not sponsoring me, but they could. Oh, they could just put me in one of their movies. You know, that's probably better. You know, I'm gonna go with the latter. I'm gonna go with the latter. Thank you. I snuck back over to Lunar New Year to grab a little something to eat. And can you guess what it's gonna be? Oh yes, haha, the shrimp fried rice. Now, if people have seen my videos in the past, you'll know I love the corn shrimp rice combo. They had a little booth kind of right over in that general area from years previous. Man, I'm really excited to try this out. And I've got my chopsticks. We're going full on authentic as much as possible. Oh, here we go. All right, everybody, here we go. A little shrimp. Cheers. It's good. It's solid. It's really good. I'm a big fan of shrimp, so obviously that's gonna play super well with me. There's a bunch of stuff in here I don't know, except the rice. I do know that, and I just always love fried rice, so I recommend this one for the shrimp lovers out there. For the shrimp lovers out there. That shrimp fried rice was really good, actually. The fried rice at the end, I was just wolfing it down. I was like, as fast as I could with my limited capabilities with chopsticks. Now we gotta go on an attraction. Some people might know. I go on every time usually. It wouldn't be a California Adventure vlog without it. And that's this right here, baby. The Adventures of Ariel, Little Mermaid, whatever. Oh, sorry, it's the Little Mermaid, Ariel's Undersea Adventure. I did it. Didn't have to look at the sign or anything. All right, let's get to it.
I admit that in the past I've been a nasty. They weren't kidding when they called me, well, a witch. But you'll find that nowadays I've mended all my ways, repented, seen the light, and made a switch. Yes.
Ursula's plan spoiled once again. Better luck next time, sea witch. Now I bet some of you at home watching were waiting for me to do something funny with Ursula when she popped up. Like, you know, the moment where she says, I admit that in the past I've been a nasty. They weren't kidding, well, they called me, well, a witch. I gotta keep you on your toes. If you're watching this channel, I gotta keep you on your toes. How many people jumped at that? Oh goodness, or laughed at it. It's kind of the real point of that. Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me here today. I hope you had a good time. I know I did. This is great to kind of enjoy a little bit of the Lunar New Year festivities, as you will, and then enjoy a few of the attractions over here, over in Disney's California Adventure, including, man, the credit coaster, especially at night. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so great. Anyway, thank you so much for hanging out today. You know, I would just appreciate it if you left me a comment. Tell me what you thought of the video. You don't even have to like it if you don't want to. You can if you want, but you don't have to. I just want to know if you guys are enjoying these. Am I making too many? Just be honest. Either way, I still just enjoy making it. So much fun. And a huge thank you to our patrons who make this stuff possible. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys so much. And I just appreciate anyone taking the time to watch this. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. And until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye.